Hi YouTube, Timothy Unkert here. In this video, we're going to install Sublime Text on a Chromebook in 2025. So the first thing I want to do is go over here on the left here to this launcher, and I want to go on down and find my settings. Once I click on my settings, I'm going to go down on the left-hand side and find About ChromeOS. I'll click on that, and that'll open up a bunch of different options here. I'm going to scroll on down, and I'm looking for Linux Development Environment. I'm going to click Setup. A wizard will pop up. I'll click Next. It's going to give me a username. I believe that's based off your email, and also a recommended disk size. The disk size can be changed at a later point. The username, it might be able to be changed. I don't change it at a later point. So I would pick something that you want if it's unlike what they give you. Anyways, I'm going to keep both the same and click Install. And I'll let this run on through in real time so you see how long this takes. Okay, once everything installs, a terminal will pop up. We can close out the settings at this point. I like to right-click and pin the terminal to the taskbar because I use it for a fair amount. At the time of this recording, we do have this message here about about the GPU-based rendering driver. If you want to silence that, you can just copy this here, and you just highlight it and it will copy, and then do Control-Shift-V to paste and hit Enter. But that's up to you. All right, I'm going to clear everything out. We want to make sure that everything's up to date. So to do that, let me make this a little bit larger for you so you can see what I'm doing. We're going to type sudo apt-get update and then 2 ampersands for and then sudo apt-get dist-upgrade, and we'll do a -y flag to answer yes to any additional storage that will take place during the update. That's going to run on through. I'll let this again run in real time just to show you about how long it's going to take, and once that's done, we'll get to the next step. Okay, now that that's run through, we can exit out of here and close out the terminal. And let's open up a browser, and we're going to search for Sublime Text. And we want to go to the website sublimetext.com. And we can go here to Download. And we can go to the Linux repos and go to Direct Downloads. Now, you'll see that we have this 64bit.deb. I'm going to download that because I have an Intel-based Chromebook. If you have an ARM-based Chromebook, you want to do the ARM64.deb. Again, you do need 64-bit for this to work on this most latest version, 4192 at the time of this recording. But you know, if you have a modern Chromebook, it should be 64-bit. So anyways, I'm going to go ahead and download here and download the .deb file. Then I'm going to click Show in Folder. And all I need to do right now is right click and click install with Linux. That's going to go out and fetch some information. I'll click install and OK. And it's been installed. We can click to launch, or you can find it in the launcher under your Linux apps. Okay, the first time it might take a little bit longer to launch, but you see it starts right up there. We have Sublime Text. I can right click and pin to install, and that's all there is to it. We've installed Sublime Text on a Chromebook in 2025. Hopefully you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel.